In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate text on Gemini from English to Italian. Whether you're looking to translate a document, a snippet of text, or perhaps a conversation you've had, Gemini can be a great tool for this. So, let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First things first, go ahead and open up your web browser and navigate to Google. Google is a familiar place for many of us, and starting here makes accessing Gemini a breeze. Once you're on the Google homepage, in the search bar, type in Google Gemini. Now, what we're doing here is essentially looking for the Google Gemini website, a platform designed to make tasks like translation nice and straightforward. After typing Google Gemini, you'll see a list of search results. Go ahead and click on the link that leads you to the official Google Gemini website. It should be one of the top results, making it easy to find. Now that you're on the Google Gemini homepage, this is where the magic happens. At this point, you'll want to paste the conversation or the text you want to translate into the provided text box on the Gemini site. This feature is designed to handle selections of text and ensure that the translation is both smooth and accurate. Whether it's a string of sentences or a complex dialogue, paste it all here. Once your text is in place, take a moment to double-check that everything looks correct. After all, we want to ensure the translation is as precise as it can be. When you're ready, go ahead and click on the Submit button. This is the step that sends your selected text off into the system for translation. After you hit Submit, give it a moment to process. Gemini works swiftly, and in no time, you'll be able to see the translated text right before your eyes. And there you have it, a fully translated piece from English to Italian. The simplicity of the Gemini interface makes it accessible and easy to use, which is perfect for both novices and seasoned users. Remember, if at any point you encounter a hiccup, don't hesitate to revisit the Google Gemini website or look through their help resources. And there we go. You've successfully navigated through translating text in Gemini. This process can be applied to various languages, so feel free to explore the possibilities. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to practice, and soon you'll be navigating translations like a pro. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher. Enjoy your translations, and have a fantastic day translating with Gemini.